I think of it in terms of book publishing. It speeds up the time that the creator gets paid, and it doesn't have to pass through a central body like a publishing company.
What's the biggest secret right now when it comes to investing or understanding DeFi and NFTs?
Sure. So I think, if it's a secret, let's call it an open secret. But if you get exposure to this asset class of decentralized finance, which we can describe as owning cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Avalanche or Phantom, and then using those to get access to other projects where you can stake and earn an APY, a return, in additional cryptocurrency. So you can earn APY paid in different cryptocurrencies. That's conceptually what decentralized finance is. And there's APYs much, much higher than available in traditional finance, certainly more so than in a bank. And there's varying levels of risk that you can employ or risk management strategies you can employ to get access to better potential returns while, and when you pop back, if you look, yeah, that's the token. There is some information there. There's a white page of, if you click on white paper at the top center, and there's a good overview of like what we're doing at PowerFan. And there's a page there, like basically on the second or third one of what we are, which right here is threefold, right? It's an NFT minting platform. So we work with authors, content creators, experts, artists, podcast hosts to mint their NFT collections and help them manage the initial sale. And then the second part is DeFi staking. So with our own cryptocurrency, our PFAN token, people can earn a yield up to 100% APY after 90 days that's paid out in PFAN. That in turn helps fund our platform operations and incentives for creators and partners. And the third part of it is an NFT allows for a royalty routing. So after that initial sale of the NFT, if it's sold a second time, a third time, a fourth time, a royalty flows back to the creator instantly and automatically. You could think of it as an instant settlement in a stock trade. I think of it in terms of book publishing. It speeds up the time that the creator gets paid, and it doesn't have to pass through a central body like a publishing company, for example. So NFTs have the potential to generate passive income streams through secondary market sales that flow a royalty to the creator. So that's an opportunity available with NFTs, and DeFi that's related, but is using cryptocurrencies like PFAN and Ethereum to generate a return higher than available through traditional finance means.
Super interesting and literally cutting edge, right? NFTs exploded in 2021, and I had friends. We have clients that we're working with right now who have huge NFT holdings and are looking for ways to exit without getting hammered by the capital gains tax. I mean, I'm talking hundreds of millions of dollars, right? And being on the front line of some of these that really just went, through the roof here on the returns. And we'll talk about
speak to that for a second if you're interested.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Let's dive right into that.
Yeah. So since we're going down the crypto rabbit hole, so an NFT, the whole point of it is it's a fixed form, right? You either own it or you don't. You can't own a half of an NFT. But how could you realize accumulated capital gains without selling the whole NFT? There's some solutions that are coming online to fractionalize. So I think there's fractionalized art is one. We could look at a few more, but it allows you to sort of syndicate or sell a little share in your NFT without selling it, although you're locking it in a smart contract. So you could get liquid on part of the accrued value in an NFT collection or even a single NFT through a fractionalizing or a syndication. And the other interesting thing I've seen, I'll shout out to a project I'm in, but not really a part of, called Billionaire Coyote Cartel. They pooled money together, bought a bunch of NFTs and put them in a vault. And then 1 year later, those are sold, or 1 year and a day, those are sold and the proceeds are distributed pro rata. So that's a capital gain solution to get the appreciation in the NFT value, but to own a fractional part of a vault of NFTs. So just thinking out loud, but your clients could look at either taking their collection and doing a vault that's fractionalized, and now they're generating revenue without necessarily a sale, or a fractionalized on an individual basis.
Yeah, very, very fascinating.